Jellyfin and Navidrome are both open source servers, but they serve different needs. So Jellyfin is a full media center that manages movies, TV shows, music, and photos with rich metadata, transcoding, and multi-user support, making it ideal if you want a one platform for your entire home library. Navidrome, by contrast, is laser focused on music. So, designed to be lightweight and blazing fast, running smoothly even on resource limited devices, of course, like a Raspberry Pi, and it is tested to handle gigantic collections of nearly 1 million songs with features like multi library support and user specific access and on the fly transcoding to save bandwidth. Jellyfin shines when you want a complete entertainment hub, while Navidrome wins if you want a dedicated, efficient, and flexible music server. So the practical verdict is simple. You choose Jellyfin for an all-in-one media solution and Navidrome if music is your only priority.